Oh, I didn't record. Okay, now we're recording. So we're just going to show you a couple things. So this is one that's being made. So this is the top down. So when you first start, you had to choose kind of like a shape of your room, right? And decide where your entry and your exit are. So where's your entry?
I think I want to put it right
Okay,
here.
so your entry's here, and then you got to have food storage, right? And then you got to have like, decide where your entry is, right? Because you want that working triangle. Decide where your entry is, because that's where the food's coming in,
Oh, right.
right?
Then
The
it'll probably be
groceries.
around
Yeah, I
here.
think it was over here, right? And then you want that work triangle. So this is storage, you got fridge, then you got like sink, right? And then you got cooking, and then you got table to serve people or whatever. So the things I want to show is that this is the top down because it's on this. Now if you click on that little thing, then you will see this entire thing in 3D, and you can move it around and you can see what it looks like, and you can try all the different furniture, and you can change the color of the flooring, and you can change the things that you put in it. You just got to play around with all of these tools down here. Okay, so your whole job for like 3 whole days is to just work on your absolute dream home perfect kitchen from IKEA, and that's going to be like the core of your dream home project. Right, we're going to start from the kitchen and the living room out, and then we're going to start your project. So thanks for showing us that.